How to fix App Store stuck unloading problem. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. If not, you can switch between networks, that is, if you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular, and if you are using cellular, switch to Wi-Fi. Next, force quit App Store along with all the apps running in the background. Force quit the apps by swiping up and exiting the app. Or if you have an iPhone with the home button, then double click on the home button and force quit the app. Next fix is launch the settings application and scroll down and navigate to screen time and tap on that and further scroll down again and tap on the content and privacy restrictions option. Make sure the toggle button for content and privacy restrictions is toggled off, and if not, then go ahead and toggle off the content and privacy restrictions toggle button. And the final fix for this issue is reset all settings. In order to reset all settings, in Settings itself, tap on General and scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset, and then on Reset all settings. Enter your Face ID or passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings. Nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now, and this is how you can fix App Store's stuck unloading screen problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.